Merry Christmas everyone! Today, let's dive into the world of CSS and explore the fundamental concept known as the CSS box model. The CSS box model is a core concept used by web developers to understand how elements are rendered and spaced within a web page. It comprises four essential components: content, padding, border, and margin. At the heart of it all is the content area, where text, images, or any element's actual content resides. Surrounding the content is the padding, an optional transparent area providing space between the content and the border. The border wraps around the padding and content, defining the element's visual boundary. Then comes the margin, the outermost layer creating space between the border of one element and the surrounding elements. Think of it as the personal space of an element within a layout. Understanding these components allows developers to manipulate the layout effectively. For instance, adjusting the padding changes the space between the content and the border, while modifying the margin alters the spacing between elements on a page. Summary: mastering the CSS box model empowers designers and developers to craft visually appealing and well-structured layouts on the web. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas filled with joy and creativity in your designs.